Hello, my name is Mitja and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to make a sub-kick drum groove. The groove is one of the most distinctive aspects of house music. In house music, one way to emphasize the groove is to make a good balance between the kick drum and the bass line. In the following tutorial, I will show you how to combine your main kick drum and bass line pattern with the sub-kick drum to emphasize the groove and increase the track's energy. As usual, we'll begin by listening to the short sequence created in our SoundBridge DAW, which contains the majority of full mix elements, and then just the kick drum and bass pattern. As we can hear, there is room for a more complex groove between the main kick drum and bass line. I have filled this void with another kick drum. You can see that the second kick drum was placed on the new channel in the sequencer. Its original length has been reduced because it should be in the background and not interfere with the main kick drum and bass line. Let's take a listen to it. Because it sounded too prominent, I used additional EQ and compressor to blend the sub-kick drum with the other two elements. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.